Pinterest can be the perfect keyword search engine for you. Go to the search bar up here, type in your terms. You'll notice as you type it in, it auto-completes. Those words are searches that have been done on Pinterest. This group right here at the top, those are all keywords. If you take your mouse and put it right here, hold down the left click button, and just pull it down so you see all of these blue across here. Right click it, copy, go to the first cell right here, right click it, paste it matching the destination formatting. Here are your list of high volume keywords in order. So these all happen to start with the search was bobber motorcycle. So if I type it into here, and type in that formula, it makes it the keyword phrase. Double click this in the corner, double click this in the corner, and voila, your list of phrases.